What's up, guys? We're back at it again here at 88 Rotors Off-Road with another Tacoma compilation for you guys. There's going to be a mashup of a few King setups, Bilstein setups, and Ironman 4x4 setups. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. Here's a Lunar Rock Tacoma that's in to get some ditch lights and fog lights installed. These are the Baja Design Squadron R SAE fogs. This next magnetic gray metallic Tacoma is in for a King setup. We're going to be doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters. We're going to do the Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms in the front end with our Deaver add-a-leaf in the rear. Swinging over to the rear end right here, you can see that we've already installed the Deaver add-a-leaf. The rear shocks are also in, and we're about to mount the reservoirs. Our tech is adjusting the front coilovers to get about 3 inches of actual lift height. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. And if you're not local to us and want one of these lift packages shipped to you, you can check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have all of these lift kits pre-packaged, pre-adjusted, pre-assembled, and ready to go as soon as they get to your door. You can achieve the exact stance or look that you see on the trucks in our video today. We'll also link all of the packages in the description below. With the new lift kit installed, we're able to clear some 285/70/17 tires. The tire of choice that we're using today are the BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2 tire. These right here are the TRD Pro SEMA wheels in a 17x7 with a positive 4 offset. It's a great OEM Plus look for your vehicle. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on the thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. One of the final steps before we put the wheels and tires onto the vehicle is that we go over every nut and bolt underneath the vehicle that we've touched and make sure that it's torqued down properly, and then we mark it with a white paint pen. That's the reason why you see everything here. That shows that we've double checked our work, and secondly, it serves as another purpose of when you do go off-roading, you can always take a peek underneath just to make sure that none of your nuts and bolts are turning themselves out. I always get in a habit of doing that every time I air back up and hit the road. That way, I feel a little bit safer because most of the time, I'm out there with my kids. The new lift wheels and tires have been installed. We're gonna bring it down now and torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec. I can't believe we're going on our 20th year of being in business here at 88 Rotors. I'm starting to feel pretty old now. We plan to throw a 20th anniversary event this year. Who's coming out to it? We're gonna iron out the details and announce it. We'd love to see all of our supporters come out. Hopefully, you guys can make it. Next up, we're installing an Ironman 4x4 Foam Cell Pro Stage 2 setup on this Tacoma. This kit comes with the carrier bearing drop that we're installing here. Here, we're preparing to install the rear heavy load leaf springs. The vehicle currently does not have any weight, but the owner of the vehicle says he has major plans for it, so he's doing the suspension and prepping for it. Do keep in mind that if you get a heavy load setup without all the added weight, it's gonna ride quite rough. The owner of this vehicle was aware of that and was adamant about doing that first, so here it is. The front and rear Foam Cell Pro shocks have been installed with the lift springs and the upper control arms. Leaf springs are on there as well, with some Method MR703s and some Mickey T's. Next taco rolling in is about to get a body mount chop. The cement gray Tacoma here is going with a Bilstein 5100 setup. We're doing the 5100s all around with some Old Man Emu front lift springs and our add-a-leaf system in the back. The front gets paired up with some SPC ball joint upper control arms, and we're installing some new wheels and tires. We're installing some Method MR703s on here with some Mickey Thompson tires. We call this Bilstein lift package our best bang for the buck setup. It has everything you need to get you going with the lift, get some ground clearance, and perform a little bit better on road and off road. Check out the link in the description if you want to see the details of this package. We ship these pre-assembled at 2 3/4 inch lift in the front and 1.5 inches of lift in the rear. Let's torque this one down and bring it out for a quick test drive. We're installing king shocks on this one with our add-a-leaf, and the customer brought in his own Missoula arms for us to install. We do not carry this brand. We're installing a set of Toyo RT trails on a set of Method MR305s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset in a double black finish. Make sure to check out our website and grab some 88 swag. You can grab a hoodie like this one, or we have other styles including other t-shirts, windbreakers, and hats. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's pretty much going to be a wrap after this. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And also turn on that notification bell. That way you get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.